Hello everyone, people from alien planet, people from planet Earth, welcome everyone to my class. So today we're going to learn what is object snap. Okay, so what's this concept? What we're going to learn? Complete concept of object snap. Where? In AutoCAD. Okay, in AutoCAD. Okay, before we learn this class, or before we move forward, I always tell my students, before you learn anything, you must know why you are learning this, isn't it? So why are we learning object snap? What is the purpose, isn't it, of object snap? Okay. Second thing, after we learn the purpose, I'll teach you how to use it. How to use object snap. Okay. Where? In AutoCAD. So what we said, first we learn the purpose. That means what? Why. Okay, this is the first concept we learn. Second, we learn how to use object snap. So let's learn what okay, let's move forward. Okay, so first thing is purpose. Why do we learn object snap? What is the purpose of object snap? Okay, so let me just tell you one story. Okay, let's come here. We are in AutoCAD now. Okay, can you just see this? Okay, see, this is three lines connected together, isn't it? Now, first thing, let me just tell you one thing. Okay, I am just pressing F3. Okay, that means what? Object snap is off. Okay, one very simple question. Now we have this object, isn't it? We have this object here. We want to connect it together. We want to make it a closed object. So can we just tell you, this is the question. Okay, this side is the question and this is the final product. Which one? This side. Final product or the answer, isn't it? Also the answer, okay, is equal to answer. Okay, so what I want you to do is something like this. Okay, I want you to connect one line, what, from here to here, perfectly. Okay, I do not want it to be something like this. Okay, I do not want it to be something like this. That means what? I don't want any gaps to be there. No gap. That means what? For example, I can connect like this, isn't it? If I zoom, there is a gap here. John, we are animal lovers. We keep for the rats to enter. Okay, but when we make a house, we need to keep it sealed, isn't it? Perfect connection. So this is one of the reasons why we learn object snap. Object snap is basically used for what? For perfect connection. Okay, so what's the purpose? To have, let's say, closed or perfect connection. You'll understand what I mean in a couple of seconds. Perfect connection. Okay, what do I mean by this? In a couple of seconds you'll understand. Okay, so what is the thing is, see, now let's suppose I want this is going to be a line, isn't it? So I click line. Okay, I have offed my object snap. F3 is off. Okay, I'll teach you how I know it's off, how I know it's on. In a couple of minutes you will learn. Okay, now what I do is, okay, this is called human method. Okay, I zoom and then I think it's going to be good. Come here and then I feel already stressful, but what to do? Human method, isn't it? So I come here and I am left clicking. Okay, so what has happened is I have done something, not something very beautiful, isn't it? This is not a perfect connection. There's a lot of gap also, isn't it? This is called human work, not alien work, isn't it? I am unzooming, isn't it? Not very good. This is called pathetic, isn't it? What is this gap? Okay, so now what I will do is I will on object snap. Okay, and click this and I'll tell you what I did. Okay, just giving you the trailer of the movie. I am unzooming and then click. Okay, I believe it is perfect, isn't it? How much ever I zoom, the connection is perfect, isn't it? I could get a perfect connection at the corners, isn't it? So now I hope you understand what is the purpose of object snap. And okay, how I got it also I'll tell you. Okay, so what is the purpose of object snap? To get perfect connections, isn't it? If I want to connect two objects perfectly, I use object snaps. Now my question is, how do I use it? How do you use object snap? Okay, how do you use object snap? Okay, this is going to be, let's say, two meanings here. How do you use? There's going to be two parts. Okay, one, the basics. Okay, second, let's say the shortcuts. Okay, that means what? How do I on it? I would say how to on it, and then how to off it. Off what? Object snap. Talking about what? Object snap. Snap, isn't it? Okay, we're going to have F3 key. F3 key is what? This is your keyboard, isn't it? Human keyboard. Okay, this is control whatever. Here you have your function keys, no? F1, F2, blah blah, and you have your friend who? F3. Okay, 3. F3 is what? This is for your friend object snap. Okay, if this is on, half of the job is done. Okay, second thing, see, when I on F3, have a look here. Okay, what is this called? This is called your status bar. Which bar? Status bar. Okay, status bar. Okay, have a look here. Okay, when I press F3 in my keyboard, this is the button I'm talking about. Okay, when I press F3, okay, it goes off. That is what? It is off. If the light is not there, that means it is off. When I click it on, it is on. It's becomes, the background becomes light blue now, isn't it? Say object snap is on. Okay, I hope it's clear now. Okay, so now you know how to on it and how to off it, but there is some basics behind that. Okay, behind what? How to use object snaps. Okay, so let me teach you. I hope this much is clear. This concept is clear. How to on it and how to off it is clear now, isn't it? Now let me teach you the basics of object snaps. Okay, what is the basics? Okay, before you learn the basics, let me ask you some couple of questions, easy questions. Okay, let's assume that this is a line. Okay, this is a line. Can I tell that every line is made up of 2 points? One is 1 point, and let's say this is an end point. Okay, and this is another end point. Any comments here? Isn't it? Represent it like this. Okay, and this is called what? Midpoint. So every line basically have 3 points, isn't it? One is end point. This is called an end point. This is your another end point. This is called your midpoint, isn't it? Similarly, for a circle, this is a circle. Okay, this is called a circle. Every circle has something here. What is this called? This is called the center of the circle. Center of circle. Okay, hope this is clear now. Okay, why did I teach you this? You will understand in a couple of seconds now. Okay, so first thing, you need to understand this. This is very, very important concept. Okay, okay, now let us take this concept one step forward. Okay, now let's say we are, I think, let me just, I don't want to, okay, let me just rub this, keep it hide for some temporarily. Okay, see, this is an object. Okay, can we tell, can I tell, I think I have to rub this then, I would have done, okay, no worries. How do I show this? Okay, can I keep this? I think you'll have to manage somehow. Okay, can I tell you? Can I tell you now? This is a line, and this is a line. Okay. Can I say this is a line? This is line 1 and line 2. Can I also tell you that this is an existing line? This is not what I'm going to draw. Existing line, isn't it? No comments here, isn't it? It is there, it is there. Okay, Now what's my story here is that I need to draw one more line, isn't it? This is called a new object, an object which I have to draw. This is called the new object. Okay, so forget about the new object temporarily. Okay, what you have to do is, or let's not say forget about the new object temporarily. Let's suppose what I want to draw now. I need to draw a line. Okay, just say line command. Okay, so first concept is the procedure. Okay, let's say the procedure. Procedure means what? How to use it, isn't it? Procedure. Procedure to draw, let's say to use object snap. First thing, enter the command. Enter command means what? Enter the command of the object you want to draw. Enter the command of the object you want to draw. Any comments? This is the first thing. For example, draw line. Because why? I need to draw a line here, isn't it? This is the object, missing object. Second thing, make sure, okay, existing object, make sure existing object snap, existing object, comma, object snap is on. What does that mean? See, this is a line, isn't it? Let's just take for a second this. Let me rub this. Okay, so this is a line, isn't it? This is yellow object is a line. This is an existing object, isn't it? This is an existing object. Okay, what did I say? Every line has 3 points. One is end point, midpoint, and end point, isn't it? So can I call this point as end point? Isn't it? No harm here. So this is, you will be called end point, isn't it? So what I must make sure? I must make sure existing, the word is existing, not new, isn't it? Not new, isn't it? Enter the command of the new object, not this, existing. Make sure existing object snap is on. That means what? I come here, there's a dialog box. Okay, make sure it is on. That means end point should be on, another off, all other one. Okay, this is clear. Okay, have I used any command? Nothing. Okay, so what I do is click the line, because I want to draw a line, isn't it? Let me just rub a little bit. Let me just hide everything. This is better. Okay, so what, just before I hide everything, let me just reread the procedure. First, enter the command for the new object you want to draw. So what I want to draw? I want to draw a line. That is clear. Make sure existing object snap is on. That means what? Make sure line, for line what I need to show if end point is on. So I have to make sure end point is ticked. Is tick or check, isn't it? Done. Checklist second number is done. I came here, it is on because it is blue. Tick. Very good. I just click outside anywhere. Okay, now what I do? Follow the procedure. First thing, enter line, because I want to draw new object. Second thing, it is on, yes. I just keep my mouse at one corner. Can I see end point? When I see this end point on my mouse, on the cursor, okay, I will left click. Click once only. Okay, only once. Perfect, good. Then what I'll do, I move my mouse down and I come to the next corner. When I see this box, when I see end point, okay, then I click second time. Where I click, I am left clicking once again. Done. And then what I do, either I press escape or right click fast. That is called the active click. Done. So when I zoom, you see, it is a perfect connection. Okay, I hope everybody understood this concept of object snap. Okay, similarly you could do it for the other object. Let me do it another example. Let me hide it. Okay, so one of the most important thing is what? The procedure, isn't it? The procedure for what? To create object snap, how to use it. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll do one more example. Now I want to draw a circle, isn't it? Because line is already there. Very good. Okay, now what I must do is I must draw circle. Click circle. Okay, Now what I want to start, circle, he says center of the circle. Specify the center point of the circle. Who is saying? AutoCAD is asking. John, please enter center point of the circle. Because circle, it starts from the center, isn't it? Okay. Now I know, as per my previous explanation, that what a line basically have 3 points. One is end point, midpoint, and end point, isn't it? What I said, enter the command of the new object. That was circle. That is done. Okay. Make sure existing object. Is the circle existing or line existing here? Line is existing. Okay. So what I must make sure is on, isn't it? Make sure existing object snap is on. Okay. Very good. What I will do now? Just tell me, what will I do now? Okay. I will come here, here, and I will make sure midpoint is on and end point is on, isn't it? Why midpoint? Because I know the circle has to start from the midpoint. Okay, excellent. Come here, click midpoint, off end point for time being, just time being. Click anywhere, don't click on the drawing, click anywhere in the side. Very good. Now he asks you, John, you have not told me the center point of the circle. I said, okay, fine. What I will do, I will just keep my mouse near the line and I will see midpoint. Okay. When I see the word midpoint, I will left click once. Perfect. Click once. Okay. Then what? I have to come to the other corner. But now what happened? Is this object snap on? No. What I will do is come here again, go to the end point, click end point, uncheck midpoint. Okay. This is one actually a human method. I have another alien method coming up. I'll teach you in the class. Don't worry. Okay. Listen. So I checked end point. Okay. Because why? I want to existing object has to be connected to where? End point. Click end point and click anywhere outside. Then what I'll do? I come and click where? End point. I see end point in the mouse. Click end point. Okay. I hope this is clear. Okay. As an example, this will be considered as a homework for you. Try it. If you don't get it, let me know. Okay. Okay. Anyway, I hope everybody enjoyed today's class, a small class on how to create or how to use object snap. How to use object snap. This was actually the complete concept of using object snap, complete concept of using object snap in AutoCAD. Okay, the most important thing is the procedure, isn't it? Followed by the procedure was the basics, isn't it? What is a line? What's a circle? Isn't it? What are the points to take into consideration? Isn't it? Okay. I hope everybody enjoyed today's class. Let's keep moving forward. Take care, and I think that's it. Bye.